In preclinical discovery, assessing target safety means pulling together evidence from a range of different data sources, often manually. Sable Target Intelligence is designed to do that work for you. Start by searching any target in the genome. Here we'll look for the target DGAT1, known primarily for its role in lipid metabolism. But as we'll see, the evidence landscape turns out to be broader than that. We can see some basic information about the target, then generate a safety report. You can create a report for inhibition, activation, or modulation of the target. Reports typically generate in a few minutes, while the system assesses relevant phenotypes identified across different data sources, including clinical trials, genetic studies, scientific literature, and animal knockouts. Once the report is ready, you'll see an overview of the key findings and a risk radar highlighting the key organ systems to look at first. For DGAT1, gastrointestinal findings are prominent, notably resulting in some failures in clinical trials. Sable surfaces these immediately at the top of the report. We can drill down into the details of the gastrointestinal risk. We can see at a glance that animal knockouts, expression in relevant tissues, and association with relevant risk mechanisms all contribute towards the biological plausibility. For any specific phenotype, we can evaluate the supporting evidence, for instance, nausea, where we can see both direct evidence from literature and evidence resulting from trials for DGAT1 inhibitors. Wherever possible, the direction of effect is identified, including from the scientific literature, helping reports to reflect the different toxicity profile of inhibition versus activation. Each item of evidence can be explored within the application. Here, Sable's literature analysis has prioritized papers describing the effect of a particular inhibitor. Literature, clinical trials, and other evidence types can be explored in similar detail. By avoiding the hard work of collating disparate data, you can spend more time exploring potential risk and evaluating their relevance for a given project, especially when the evidence is mixed or contextual. You can add your own findings, comment on existing findings, and work with your team to decide what to do next. Sable ensures target safety assessment is systematic, so safety is considered from the very earliest stages of discovery. And because the evidence base is always growing, Sable keeps reports current as new data emerges, so your safety assessment reflects the literature as it stands today, not when you first ran the search. In a follow-up video, we'll see how that time saving opens the door to some more unexpected findings for this target. If you'd like to see Sable in action for your own targets, get in touch for a more in-depth demo. Thank you for watching.